And they're off. Gray Magic draws for your lead. Janelle's episode is by the rail, moving a party outside Terrible Heart, Batang West Side. Then moving up by the rail is Friendly Fire King Aljun as they leave the straight. And as they leave the straight, we have Janelle's episode in command by about 2 lengths. Gray Magic is in second, down in third, Friendly Fire. Moving up now to take fourth, Terrible Heart. Janie Cole is by the rail, Batang West Side, second last, and King Aljun is running at the tail of the field. It's Janelle's episode, still setting the pace by about 2 lengths. Moving up to take second now is Friendly Fire, running in third, Gray Magic, Janie Cole. Then comes Batang West Side, moving a party outside King Aljun and Terrible Heart, now running at the tail of the field. As they head towards the final 600 meters, we have Janelle's episode still in front by 3/4 of a length lead. Friendly Fire getting closer in second and moving up now to take third, King Aljun running by the rail, Janie Cole, Batang West Side as they turn to the final 450. It's still Janelle's episode leading the field. Friendly Fire moving a party outside and throwing a challenge. Now we have Janelle's episode still leading the field. Friendly Fire is still in second, pushing very hard. Moving a party outside is King Aljun with the last 150 more to run. Janelle's episode, King Aljun moving up to take second and Friendly Fire. And finally from start till end, Janelle's episode, King Aljun. Number 1, Friendly Fire, Janie Cole, Terrible Heart, and Gray Magic.